Toon Link.
Yes, Squid Girl. Even though I'm just kind of bored, you know what I'm saying? I'm just lying down right here, enjoying the sunset. Look how high we are. Yeah, it's kind of good.
Yeah, I can see the view too. Oh, yeah, that's kind of like fun, don't you guys? Yeah.
Oh yes, I remember this time when I was little that my mom used to take care of me when we were going on a plane to New York. So we're now moving to Texas, my favorite country.
Yeah, just like Sandy the squirrel lives.
Yeah, she is a squirrel from Texas.
Oh, Texas, of course. Yeah, I really enjoy my classes. Didn't you know how much we got here?
Yeah, kind of cool, right? I just like Sprite, cola, snacks. Yeah. Look at the bright side. We don't want to use that anymore.
Man, it's kind of blurry outside though. I'm sure too happy right now. Yeah.
I'm still really gonna be so sore right now. How many dates we got here, Squid Girl?
Yeah, a lot.
I've always wanted to hug you.
Yeah, me too. I've already wanted to see you.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, let me just put the window back down. There, we can see the outside now.
So, what's the trip to the Texas, Toon Link?
Yeah, it's good. Really, I wish we could be there soon. Oh, look at the blurry, cloudy skies. Yeah, you are my favorite friend, Squid Girl.
Thank you, Toon Link. Besides, I wonder when we get there. So, probably soon we're going to be at Texas after a landing of the plane. So our luggage will be here soon. Bye!